Hello, good morning. Um, this is my exposition about adjectives, nouns, collocations. A collocation is a pair group of words that actually appear together. Adjectives and nouns can have a particular collocation to convey a specific meaning. We form adjectives and noun collocations by putting adjectives before nouns. We form adjectives and noun collocations by putting adjectives before nouns. The most commonly used adjectives and noun collocations are big disappointed, big failure, big mistake, big surprise, heavy bag, heavy box, heavy rain, heavy snow, heavy suitcase, heavy traffic, rich culture, rich history, rich people, rich vocabulary, strong accent, strong ring, strong smell, strong taste, strong weight. This is an example about words and meaning. The commentary was a bit disappointed. He admitted he made a big mistake. The game show was a big failure. This episode was a big surprise for you. We were walking in heavy rain. I was late due to heavy traffic. It's difficult to ski in heavy snow. Could you help me to carry this heavy bag? I couldn't lift heavy box. You shouldn't carry such a heavy suitcase alone. She reads a lot of books and has a rich vocabulary. Greece has a very rich culture. Rich people can afford to buy everything they want. This region of the Ukraine has a very rich history. The strong wind stopped you from going for a walk yesterday. He speaks English with a strong Russian accent. Horseradish has a very strong taste. This coffee has a very strong smell. The man just wanted a strong drink. Thank you so much. This is my exposition.